tips and tricks for car magnets. Whether you're on the move for deliveries or parked on the street, custom car magnets are a simple and affordable way to maximize visibility for your business. Compared to car decals, magnets are easy to install and remove, making them great for messages that need frequent updates. Here are some tips to make sure your message will stick around over time. Car magnets only work on flat metal surfaces. Avoid placing one on curved areas and non-metal materials, like aluminum, fiberglass, and plastic. If you're not sure, test the area with a refrigerator magnet beforehand. When you first receive your magnet, place it on a flat surface for at least 24 hours. You can also put something heavy on top, like a textbook, to help flatten it. Then, wipe the back of the magnet and vehicle surface with a wet cloth to remove any debris and let them dry completely. Install the magnet as flatly as possible. Start with one end of the magnet, then line up the other edge. Push down and secure the rest. When not in use, remove the magnet and have it stored flat and away from direct sunlight to extend its lifespan. And that's it! Your car magnet is ready to hit the streets.